In this video, I will show you how recruitment companies can use InStalent to find relevant candidates much faster. So normally this means searching manually, testing different keywords, opening profiles, checking fit, saving them into different lists, and moving everything between tools. With InStalent, the goal is much simpler. Search, identify relevant candidates, save them into projects, move faster from market mapping to qualified outreach. So I will show you how it works here in practice. And yes, then we are inside the platform, InStalent, and let me show you a search here. As you see, we have two sections here, like candidate side and client side. And in this video, we're going to go through how we can find candidates quick and do outreach as well. So let's start with a pre-prompt I've done here. Sales engineer in Stockholm with 3 years experience and works in manufacturing with technical education, some technical skills. So this is a pre-made search, and it's pretty rare as well. Technical or electronic skills. I don't know if we even can call something like that, but we try. And now the AI is going to help us to remake this search and make it a little bit better. And then we see as well, we get some suggestions, and this looks good as well because it's probably going to be pretty tight with only sales engineer. And this is something I really like with the platform. And then we see more examples here, and looks good, start search. And what it's going to do now, it's going to search across the whole web and several different data sources. And it's pretty quick, as you see. Now it's total under 200. Sales engineer, looks good, nice. This looks very relevant, and 230 almost. And that is great. And we can see it's searching still. And yeah, this is pretty much how it works. And after this, we're going to put the agent to work as well. And as you see, if it would be, for example, a more technical role, it would be more common with GitHub profiles, like this one, for example, solutions engineer. Yeah, it's close, and that's why we have some actually GitHub profiles here. But if you take like a technical role, you're probably going to get a lot more from GitHub as well. And then, yeah, we see 289. And then you see we get analysis criteria here where the AI will analyze this for us. And in this case, we would also like to technical sales skill, electronic skill, then technical education, for example, is something. And then we don't maybe even need this because like that, technical education. And then we run the analysis, for example. And what it's going to do now, it's going to read through all the profiles. I mean, the AI agent will do that for you and score it based on the scoring you have preset as well. And then you see it's a couple of ones that are 100%, which is great. And it's decently quick. I mean, now it's read through 54, and this is like we reading through the experience and then scoring every profile manually based on that, or just reading through as we recruiters do. We usually don't score them manually, but we read through everyone, and that takes time. And then you see now it's, I mean, 113, 20, it's soon 289, and that means we have gone through everyone. And in this case, I would only like to reach out to the 100%ers, for example, as well. And yeah, it's very soon done as well. We can actually wait on that as well. As you see, we can get emails, phone numbers, LinkedIn as well. In this case, we will probably do that. And then you see it's a decent list. I mean, usually for us, we need somewhere around like 50 to 100 people in Sequoia, and here it is. I mean, 120, and that's more than enough to be enough for a complete role, actually. And then we can see, then it's done. And then we see it's 127 that have 100%, which is great. In this case, we would like to, for example, get their LinkedIn, and then we maybe want to get their emails as well. And if you would like to get phone numbers, you can do that as well, which is great. But in this case, we want to showcase how we can do it as quick and efficient as possible. Usually I prefer to send people and then maybe call, like a last step or something like that. But of course, if it would be the client side, calls could be something I prefer as well. And then you see LinkedIn URLs usually exist. Emails also is a decent hit rate as well. Yeah. And we have all LinkedIn's almost, yeah. That's great. And yeah, we see as well the time is ticking. It has taken soon 6 minutes, and it's for everything to finalize. And then you see emails. Yeah, it's pretty much 50%, I would say, right now. And that's, I mean, it's okay. Usually it's like 60 to 80% depending on the role, of course. And then we can do like this because it's done. Then we can add them to a project. Usually I do that and save them there, and then I can search for more. I could also, if I want to, like search for more candidates, and the AI will do that for us. Like super simple, and it will add more candidates here and analyze them as well if you want to. But in this case, we will not save them to a project, or also very practical. But in this case, we will add them to a campaign. And then you see we probably want to create a new campaign with these prospects. And then you see it's already added details prospects. And then you are on sequence and you want to create one. And in this case, maybe we want to create a preset one with the JD attached. And then you see hi, and then you see some kind of preset, and then you can send a manual LinkedIn message. We don't have that automatically because we want to comply with LinkedIn. And then you see here as well, yeah, looks decent. So the only thing you want to do here is like attach the role, of course, like here. And then we press next, and then you see, is this okay? Usually I recommend to be conservative in the beginning with email sending, not too often, because you don't want to get into spam and risk the email and that kind of stuff. And then in our case, Swedish time, I mean, looks good. And in this case, I just press start campaign, and then it's all done. And it took 7-8 minutes now from end to end. And this is like pretty much a process. Like now we have it.
That is the candidate side of things. Instead of spending hours building candidate lists manually, you can use the platform to find relevant profiles a lot faster, structure them into projects, and start working from better shortlists. This is already helping us move faster inside of Xacora. If you run a recruitment company and want to try this for yourself, you can test Instalent for free for 7 days through the link here somewhere below. Thank you, and see you in the next one.